Hey team, Chef Eric Gephart here. Hope you're doing well. Today we've got a very fun recipe featuring a top loin of Kvaroy Arctic Salmon and the 10-inch Narukami. We're gonna have a lot of fun with it. Let's get in the action. Let's start from the top and work our way down. First of all, the tenderloin of the entire salmon. This is the most prized cut of the entire salmon for a lot of folks. This is the top loin, all right? The highest amount of flesh to fat ratio. So really firm, really luxurious, very nice for tataki, right? We were just at a block party in St. Petersburg, Florida at Park Shore Grill. Chef Dave White featured a tataki recipe with this cut that was absolutely stunning. Not a lot of moving parts with this recipe. My favorite, okay? Gorgeous salmon. We're gonna season it with just a little salt, pepper, and garlic, or your favorite seasoning. And I wanna make sure and get all the sides here. Beautiful. Next, we're going to use a microplane and get the zest from our orange, our lemon, and our lime. We're just gonna put it right here on the board. Whenever we're using a microplane and zesting, we just want to make sure that we get down to this level. If we start getting into the pith or the white, everything starts getting bitter. We love the sweetness of the zest. And that is perfect. So equal amounts, lemon, lime, and orange. Now we're going to kind of pack, or I say pack, but lightly pack all that zest on the outside of that gorgeous salmon. And this is just so fun for me because I've made this recipe before, and so I'm already like, my taste buds are getting all geared up. It's got this kind of Fruity Pebbles aroma to it. It's just silly to say from a culinary standpoint, but it is so true. Big, bold, zesty flavors. While we were doing that, we've got our grill stabilized at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. I've got a soapstone on the top level of my grill here, natural lump charcoal heating everything up. That's our secret ingredient. A little bit of oil, not much. And now we're gonna put our tataki directly on that oil. Drag and lay away. Little positive pressure. You can use your tongs or a fish spatula to kind of press down just to make sure that we're searing in all of that gorgeous zest. And the idea is not to cook this fish. The idea is to just get a blister sear on each side. Let's take a look. I'm going to put a little positive pressure down on the stone. Slide, slide, slide. And again, lay away. Beautiful. The aromas coming from this grill right now are fantastic. All right. I'm smelling the lemon, the lime, the orange. It just screams freshness. I want to go ahead and lay a little bit of my sweet chili right on top. Good caramelization going on there. We're gonna move it on top so we can get a little bit of a crust. Let's go ahead and flip and get that third side. Look at that. And 3, 2, 1, we are done. Oh yeah. That is stunning. So let's let this stunningly beautiful loin, top loin, rest just for a little bit. Remember, that is the tenderloin of the side of Norwegian salmon. So that is a beautiful, beautiful piece. It's resting, it's got the crust on it, it's got the glaze on it. Let's make a quick sauce, a mock ponzu sauce, and super easy here. 2 ingredients for us today. A little less sodium soy sauce. You could use any of this citrus that we already zested, but I've got a little yuzu rice vinegar just for a little punch and a little citrus add. Beautiful. All right, let's grab our presentation plate. And I'm gonna slide our loin back just a touch. And we could go at a bias with this and kind of sashimi it down the edge, but I'm gonna cut this into little chunks that are just super fun to pick up. I'm gonna do a little positive pressure on 3 sides, here, here, and here, pushing to the cutting board. And I'm gonna let the knife do the work. Just gonna go on the bottom of this plate with a little bit of the ponzu, not too much. And now, piece by piece, we'll just slide that knife. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful that is. Think about what angle we want it on the plate. You could garnish this with a little bit more zest if you like to, but I think it's got enough already. You could go with any number of dot sauces on the top. Today we're just going to use a little sliced scallion and toasted sesame seed. That's crazy town. Everything about me gets super pumped up about this bite. Let's give it a go. That's dynamite. That is dynamite. That was an incredible, impeccable bite, like jam-packed with flavor. Team, thanks a lot for hanging out. That was a dynamic bite that I know you can do at home. If you're not gonna do it outside, feel free to do it in your stove. Same technique, okay? It comes down to simple techniques and incredible ingredients, right? Keep it simple, make it perfect. Thanks for hanging out today.